the cartoons. Mowgli the Jungle Boy. Mowgli is a fictional character of Rudyard Kipling's The Jungle Book stories. He learns self-sufficiency and wisdom from the jungle animals. He is a young boy who has extraordinary skills in hunting, tracking, and driving wild animals. Mowgli is lost by his parents as baby in the Indian jungle during a tiger attack. He is adopted by the wolves. The wolves call him Mowgli, the frog, because of his lack of fur and his refusal to sit still. Sher Khan is a tiger who is aggressive and disrespectful of the jungle laws. He never stops trying to hunt and kill Mowgli. Bagheera is a black panther who is one of Mowgli's main teachers. Bagheera befriends Mowgli because both he and Mowgli have parallel childhood experiences. The other one, being Baloo, is a great guide and example to him. Tom and Jerry. Tom and Jerry was created by William Hanna and Joseph Barbera in the year 1940. We all enjoy the popular show Tom and Jerry often. It is a favorite show for many people regardless of their age. Life is often like that of Tom and Jerry. They tease each other, knock down each other, irritate each other, but can't live without each other. Tom and Jerry, who are amazing friends, teach us how to live. Jerry is a small mouse who is undefeated and always plays Tom with its high intelligence, potential, and determination. So we should not underestimate our opponent and think that they are powerless. Tom and Jerry share a unique bond of friendship built on trust. Hence, trust your loved ones blindly. At the end, either you will get a valuable friend or valuable lesson. It's a win-win situation. No matter how many times Tom fails to catch Jerry, he never quits. On the other hand, Jerry has always won over Tom by using his simplest ideas. However, Tom spread tough traps for Jerry. He would always use his brains to get away from them. And then the next mischief is planned and the circle keeps on going. Jerry in the entire series has never given up on Tom. So never stop trying after one or two failures. Life is a never-ending learning platform. Learn something every day and move forward towards your goal. The beauty of life is never-ending efforts. Dora the Explorer. Dora was created by Chris Gifford in the year 2000. Dora the Explorer is one of the most famous cartoon series among the children, especially girls. This series shows the adventures of good-looking young Dora and her most lovely pet. Her pet is an anthropomorphic monkey named Boots. Anthropomorphic means having human characteristics. Boots is named for his beloved pair of red boots. Dora finishes her work on time and tries to solve the problems of everyone. Tweety Bird and Sylvester Cat. The cartoons Tweety and Sylvester was created by Chuck Jones in the year 1939. Tweety is a yellow bird which appeared in 42 cartoons in the Looney Tunes Golden Age. His catchphrase is, "I think I saw a kitten." Tweety appears to be an innocent little bird, sweet and extremely gentle in character. Tweety lives in a bird cage with Sylvester the cat and Hector the bulldog in Granny's house. Granny is overprotective of Tweety and keeps Sylvester away from her prized bird. Though Tweety's long lashes and small stature make him seem helpless, but he is actually a crafty little bird who is fully capable of keeping himself safe. Stature is a person's natural height. Sylvester J. Pussycat Sr. is an animated cat. Sylvester appears in several cartoon series, Looney Tunes and Merry Melodies. It often chases Tweety Bird, Speedy Gonzales, or Hippity Hopper. Sylvester got his permanent look in the short film Life with Feathers, shot in 1945. Sylvester's trademark is his sloppy, stridulating lisp. Stridulate means making a shrill sound. Lisp means a speech fault in which S sound is pronounced as TH. The cat's very first words were Tafarin Takatash, uttered again and again throughout its career. Sylvester is designed to look like a clown. The big red nose looks like a clown's nose, and low crotch is designed to look like baggy pants. Crotch means the lower part of the body. In the next session, I'll come with the cartoons part 2. That's all for today's session. Hope you all enjoyed this session. Please give your likes and comments. Thank you.